For the holidays, I love making all kinds of desserts. One of my favorite is double chocolate peppermint bark. This classic dessert has a layer of white chocolate and semi-sweet chocolate that is topped with crushed candy canes. Let me tell you, it's absolutely delicious. This recipe is so simple to make and it only takes just a few minutes to put together, which means you can spend less time in the kitchen and more time wowing your guests. You need 4 simple ingredients: semi-sweet chocolate chips, white chocolate chips, vegetable oil, and crushed candy cane pieces. First, prepare a 10 by 15 inch jelly roll pan by lining it with foil, and in a small saucepan, heat the semi-sweet chocolate chips on medium heat for about 4 to 5 minutes. Make sure to stir this frequently with the rubber spatula to prevent burning. I'm going to remove it from the heat, but I'm still going to stir it just to make sure all those chips are melted. In another pan, heat the white chocolate chips and the vegetable oil together on low heat for 4 to 5 minutes as well. Once it's almost melted, remove from the heat and continue to stir until the white chips are fully melted. On to the layers. First, start with the semi-sweet chocolate and add it to the pan. And I'm going to use my rubber spatula to spread the chocolate to the edges of it. Next, with the white chocolate mixture, pour it lengthwise over the center of the chocolate and then take the tip of the rubber spatula to create those swirl effects. Last step. Evenly sprinkle the peppermint pieces over the chocolate and tap the pan on the work surface to release any air bubbles. I will need to refrigerate this for 45 minutes to harden, and when it's done, peel it off the foil and break into large pieces. It's that easy. You can store the bark in an airtight container for up to 2 weeks in the refrigerator. Who knows, once you get to snacking on this, you may not have any leftovers. It's just that good. You guys enjoy today, and I will see you next time on Fresh Dish Foodie.